Oh, no, we're not looking at that. What do we got there? Huh? What's that?
You didn't do your intro.
Oh, Yahoo! Prof here.
Whoops. Hello.
We're opening up, well, flip. You're doxing me again, bro. Jeez.
What I think of that.
After tonight, I would not be surprised if you want to stab somebody. Well, guys, if you want to know how to do desktop shortcuts via GPO, this guy's your man now.
You might as well flip that around because you walked me through the entire effing process.
I didn't fucking know what I was doing, man.
Well, it worked. That's all that matters. That's all that, hey, the box is open. You got a defective one.
Well, if you're wondering, the sunflower pens, though, if you guys have been watching and you weren't able to get one, they sold out so much they're taking pre-orders now. Okay, with new Karas. What do we got?
Made in Mesa.
Yeah, Arizona. Generic box. Yeah, what's in there? You know what's in there? I know what's in there.
Modal.
Oh, let's give them a discount. Flip it over. They can have my discount. There you go.
What if I want that discount?
I mean, you can have a discount if you want a discount. You just got to use it before the people in the video do.
That's impossible. A bot's already got it, probably. It's sealed.
Yeah, cracker open.
Pens. It's your pen.
Cracker open.
You crack.
Cracker open. You need a knife? I got. Here.
I don't want to cut it on the desk. I spared no expense.
Spent far too much. Yeah, these go in properly. It's the other ones that don't. Now, what feels different about it?
Well, the clip looks different.
For those wondering, there's a reason why I brought that one in today for work.
Your clip is bent. You can see it.
It's just ever so slightly. Huh?
Slightly cockeyed.
Not the worst. What's different? Can you tell?
The bolt.
Can you tell what's different? Yeah. That's not the major difference, though.
Is it made out of adamantium? Spring? Different spring?
Nope. Okay, so there's a reason why this one came today. What is unique to this Render K? Do you remember?
Well, it's the redo because they fucked up your original one.
Yeah, but this line of Render K, what's unique about them?
I don't know. The gripping guy? They don't have any grippy guy on this thing.
It's supposed to.
It does not.
Oh, your fingers can't feel.
All right, let me try this again. Oh, there's a little bit.
We gotta get the macro mode in there.
There's a little bit of knurling on there. You're gonna zoom. Okay, all right, hold on a second.
It went a little too.
Yeah.
Whoa. We need some light. We're cutting off all our light here.
That's your other one, and then there's your new one that I'm holding here.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I don't know why it got so dark.
Light.
Hold on.
I got the hook
Pump
up.
it up.
I got the hook.
Whoops, I went a little too.
Light on. We're gonna use another light to light. Nope.
It's a lighter light.
Yeah, it's like I know how to. No, I don't actually. I'm sorry. I'm shitty.
There you go. You can see the knurling, or not the knurling. You see a little.
Yeah.
So with this, it has the same that guy has. Very fine, much finer than
grooves.
Tactile Turn has, but that is literally. It's fine enough that David did not even notice the difference between smooth.
It just looks kind of.
It looks kind of matte.
Oh! I was gonna say it's gonna roll in.
Looks kind of matte, right? That's about it.
Yes. Yeah. It doesn't really feel like there's a.
It does grip more, I feel, though. Just take your finger and go like this with it. And try the other one.
I'm trying, man. I'm really just.
Yeah, try this one. This one's
slippery.
slippery.
Feel it more here.
Yeah, this is.
Bar of soap.
See, look.
Slides back.
All right, you saw the other one was like.
Yeah. Yeah, I can tell. No.
So it's just.
Oh, hey, what you doing with that refill?
Are you kiping it, or are you gonna give it to our coworker again?
Huh?
If you want to take it, I don't care. I don't use the G2s.
You need another refill, though.
There's one in my bag. It's almost like I knew this pen was coming.
You came prepared, folks. You came prepared.
It's in this pouch here.
Holy moly, he's got another one. What is this, a juice up?
Juice up. Juice up.
Alright, well, I'm taking the juice up out even too.
That's fine.
Gotta keep this refill safe, you know?
Juice up.
You taking Sprang out of here or no?
You can have it. Those two won't work together, I don't think.
Does it look like it's a different spring in there and here? Do you replace these springs? Do you put a G2 spring in here or no?
No. I think once it compresses, they'll look the same, I think. Because the Modal has a lot of pre-compression on it.
Oop. Oop.
Yeah. So it's because because the Modal's so short, they actually like pre-compress the spring a lot. Mm-hmm. So.
Yes.
Yeah. Juice up is one of my favorite though for the Modal. I don't know about you. In person, I don't know how well this comes across the juice up like paired with the Modal.
Well,
like a juice up in the.
My metal guy.
In person, these are much easier to see apart. In video, if you look at it, they're like barely different in video. But like because of our white, well, maybe if I put them, what if I put them on a darker surface? Because I think it's like the camera's auto white balancing shit. Oh, look at that! It's way easier. It's because we gotta not use a white background when we do these. And you're like, Elliot, your entire desk is white. Yeah, I...
We're shooting on the floor now?
But you guys can, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is a little bit more like, it's less transparent and more opaque, and that is because there's just all these little itty bitty tiny guys on there. I got it before. They're small, so they like don't want to. There we go.
That one looks more amber right there, too. And
there you go. Now, they didn't do it on the upper part, because that wouldn't make any sense. No, they did! What? They did the whole pen!
What? What do you mean?
The top part has it, too!
Yeah. I would just do like tactile turn does. Zip.
Okay, so the Ultems are pretty slippy. Then on the, what is it, Delrins, they made the textured ones where they purposely sanded them to make them rougher. Now I got this. If you're going to get an Ultem, Modal. This is my recommended one. They call it like the textured one, I think is what they call it. Yeah, it's all the way up there.
Got my red guy that you bought me for Xmas.
Yeah.
Which is amazing. And then my aluminum guy, which is slowly but surely shearing itself to death.
Well, then you might have to take advantage of that warranty. You'll be testing the...
And hey, the replacement is still significantly better than the original, which was just grinding itself to death.
But yeah, and on the note of these Sunflower guys, they had come out, what was it? It was Ink V2, Bolt V2, and what, EDK V2?
Something like that, yeah.
They had all come out in the Sunflower color. They sold out, even though it was a Pen Club exclusive. For all three, they sold out, what, between me having a crisis at work? What were we dealing with that day? I'm trying to remember. What had blown up?
You were trying to sign in? You were working...
No. That was the... That was the group... The repeated script restarting things. Yeah. So it was a bit of a crisis. So between me signing in and basically being in checkout and being yelled at that, hey, you're on a VPN, you can't check out, and then me fixing that and being done a couple hours later, gone.
It's a hot commodity, man.
So, but now they're actually taking pre-orders on these because they're like, we want to know how many we need to make.
Yeah.
And then as you saw, they were asking which one of the Modals they should make as well.
Yeah.
So I probably have another Modal in my future just because I'm going to have to get it in the Sunflower colorway. But yeah, this is now my new recommended Modal. If you guys don't already have an Ultem, is get the textured one with the little the ribbing on it. Far less, like even holding in your hand like this, like doing the actuation, far less slippy in the hand. So, well, guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do you think of this as an improvement? It is really, really fine on there. And hopefully we'll...
It's very subtle.
See you in the next one. I feel like I feel it in my what are those things called? Fingerprints? Like it grabs, like that's how fine it is.
Your fingertips?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just a little bit. Yeah. But otherwise the Ultems can get like, not like the Delrins where they're like a bar, like a literal bar of soap, but they're not much grippier. So a nice addition, I think, because I did really like it on my Render K. Kind of cool that we're seeing it go to other products. Well, hopefully we'll see in the next one. Like I said, in the future, you can for sure expect the entire collection of these in Sunflower. I had them in my cart. I literally have a screenshot of it yelling at me saying like, "Oh, you've been blocked due to you being on a VPN," and I'm like, "No."
You motherfuckers.
So, hopefully we'll see in the future when those come in. Let us know, questions and comments down below, or we do have our Discord where I post about this random stuff and other related stuff on the channel. And we just have good, fun chats. As always, have a good one. Peace.